An issue a lot of homes deal with is ductwork that leaks. All ducts leak unless they've been dealt with to stop leakage. And a mastic is a product here that is an excellent material. Probably the best material that you can use to stop air leaks because it's flexible. As the metal expands and contracts, it gives with it, and it has a long life. Foil tape is much preferred over any other kind of tape because it endures the hot and cold temperatures that it's exposed to and lasts for a long time. But the important thing is stop air leaks. We want all the conditioned air that our heating system or our cooling system makes for us to be delivered to the point where it's needed, in your family room, in your kitchen, in your bedroom. So air leakage is not what we want to have happen in our home. We have no control over the comfort of our home if we have excessive air leaks. It's very simple, very inexpensive, and it works very well to stop air leaks.